Hi, welcome to all viewers. In this today's video, we are going to see what's inside the fascinating capacitors. Polyester film capacitors are going to see inside this. These are very interesting and very stable working capacitors, majorly used in very accurate devices like thermocouples, CRO, maker, and heavy electrical very sensitive equipments. Let's see what's inside this capacitor. We can going to look. Let's dive into this. Let's start with the broken one. As you can see, one terminal of the capacitor is out. Okay, both of four there. Let's start with our cutter. Let's see what's inside. Let's see first of all specification of this. This is step title capacitor of 0.068 microfarad and tolerance of plus minus 10%. And this capacitor is basically working on DC up to 360 volts, as you can see label on this. This is very interesting yellowish color because the material, dielectric material which is used in this is yellowish color. Let's see what's inside. We can go and see what's inside this. Oh, this is very sticky. This is first layer. Nothing but to protect the capacitor. This layer is been used. Now let's go inside this. How to open and getting the proper way to get inside this. I think this is just protection for the side from side to attach the terminals. Let's break this side, which is already broken. Very interesting structure. Let's try to rub this. This where one layer is off. I got it, but it is very broken. Very damaged material because due to aging everything is like coming apart. You can see this is the upper part. Let's go deeper. Let's take this terminal also side. As you can see, this is another terminal. Very interesting because as previous we have seen the capacitors, the plates are sandwiched inside the strips, but this is attached sidewise. Okay, let's go inside. shining part. This is the dielectric material. Very long. You can get it. This is like mirror. Getting something new. It's getting deeper and deeper. Look, this much punch I have got from this tiny thing. This much tiny thing. Very extremely fabricated. And this might be the end last part. Some rules. Oh. Oh, this much the parts. It means everything is made of this plate only. This is internal. This must be the positive side. And this will be the negative one. Oh, very time consuming and makes very eager to see what inside this tiny components are there. Now let's try with this. Comment for this if you want to see. The manufacturing of this capacitor is of not getting December, March. This is of capacity 0.22 microfarad, tolerance of 10, voltage of 400, and E4. E4 is the rating of the standards. Let's try one experiment. Can we conduct this plate without battery? I am using here 12 volt battery of 7 ampere hour. This is much powerful. Let's see what happens if we connect the terminals of this battery to a little strip. This is a dielectric material. It is conducting. Let's see what happens. I think this is happening. Let's remove the layer and let's try after that. Oh, unable to get off this. This side must be conducting. Let's see. Be careful, don't try this at home. Nothing happening. So nothing is there. This is only sensible to high voltages. Okay, let's see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment for the new equipments if you want to see. This is what new we got just from this tiny equipment, which is known as polyester film capacitor. These are wide division DC for the perfect calculation of the electronics and working of the equipment. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you next video, and welcome, always welcome in A to Z Lab.